What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Oxman Garage. So today we're going to be installing my Boomba blow valve. I want to just take a quick moment and say thank you for Boomba for supplying you guys with a promo code. I'm going to put that promo code right down at the bottom. It is good for 5% off all of your orders. So let's get into the install video. All right, so let's look at tools. And once again, we have Ben having me. You are so adamant to have me do this every single time we do a video together. You are terrible. All right, so today we have our clamp to get off the spring clamp. Hopefully I don't shoot that across the way like I did the other day. Flat screwdriver for the clamp. This is to get the front little clips off, to get the intake out, and then to get the intake out. The only issue I'm having is I can't find an 8mm box wrench, so I'm gonna see once we get it all off if I can snake in a 8mm socket to get the blow valve off. So stay tuned and let's see where we go. First things first, let's get these two front clips off real quick. This will be the easy part of today. So that is off. And then what we gotta do is get this spring clamp off and then also get this out. And then all after that is unbolt these three. So I'm taking this off because it looks like the intake has boosted itself up a little bit, so I'll have to repair that as we go. Not necessarily a big deal. Just me. So now, if you look in here, so this tube right here snakes down, and right there is where the blow-off valve is, right here. So there is the vacuum line that we have to take off, and then unbolt it right here. So I'll be right back with you guys. Let's unbox this. So we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna drop the plug. That's awesome. That is for getting rid of the recirculate.
You don't need that.
Yeah, dude, go get that.
No.
Go. Fine. Of course you need this. This goes right here. So let's unbox this real quick, unwrap the blow valve itself. Don't throw this one. We have that, looks great. So there's the 4 bolts that are attached to the cold side. And then what we'll have to do is remove the vacuum line off of the one that's obviously on the car and put it on there, and then just unbolt this, and then we're done. So let's get this mounted real quick. Do that is this line right here goes down to the blow valve for recirculating. Take this off real quick. I'm sure the audience does not appreciate the shade there, Big Ben.
There's no shade.
Right there.
I'm strategically positioned, sir.
Is this not going to work well? Is it supposed to go the other way? So this is not necessarily, obviously, the stock parts for this car. There we go. Now that's on. It's pinched.
It's nice. What is it? Stainless steel?
No, they're both just aluminum.
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 Aluminum. This?
Okay, Doug. So we'll put that back on like that. So there we have that. And now let's get this off. So I'm gonna grab my ratchet and get down here real quick. And we got one. We got two. Loose. Yeah, I know it's hard to. Alright, let's try this angle. How about you work over there?
That fell down.
What fell down?
Plastic.
You dropped the plastic?
No, it blew off.
Yeah, and blow off.
You're a blow off.
Well, we're doing the blow off valve. Oh. Guess we can get this out. So what we're doing is just loosening these 4 bolts. Now, it would be easier doing this from the bottom a little bit, I think. And that's how Boomba does it, but obviously we don't have a lift here in the driveway.
Yet. Coming soon. Installing a lift when we hit 4,000 subscribers.
Well, are you paying for it, or are you gonna get Ben Pack to pay for it?
No, the subscribers are gonna pay for it, obviously.
Subscribers are going. Well, they can only do that by buying the merch.
Uh-oh. Where can I find that, Phil?
At oxman.store or shopoxmangarage.com.
Always plug.
And all the proceeds, all the profit I make goes right back into the channel. Like giving away the $200 like on this video.
More about that later.
This is quite a tedious process. Alright, so we have the stock recirculating blow-off valve off right here. All I have to do now is unclip. So I'll take the pliers and take the vacuum line off. So just pull that back a little bit, and this shouldn't be too hard to come off.
Just hit the camera, Phil.
Oh, there we go.
Show some respect
So
to the camera.
We're yeet. Alright, so now what we need to do is take the new blow-off valve, and that's going to go right where obviously the stock one was. I'm going to put that back on. This one should be a little bit easier with the stock one. There's the ridges that were kind of blocking the ratchet and everything to get on there, which now Boomba has been so kindly and to give us a nice flat surface. So I'm going to install that back, and then we'll put everything back together.
Ta-da!
Alright guys, so we got the Boomba blow-off valve installed, and honestly I took this back off because this is a 6 element. This did not stick very well. It was still kind of loose, so I put another O-ring there to keep it steady. So now it's nice and tight right there. So now we gotta put the 6 element intake back in, and then I can let you listen to it. Alright guys, how'd you think it sounded? What we're going to try to do is get some on-the-road clips and just getting flybys and stuff like that. So I don't know if I'm going to put it at the end of this video or if I'm going to put it as a short later. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is going to be my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. We hit 2,000 subscribers about 2 weeks ago or so. I haven't done a video with it. So this video is going to be for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. You can win a $200 Amazon gift card. All you need to do is be subscribed to the channel and hit the notification button. Smash the like button on this video, and also comment down below of what mod you like most of that I've done on the Elantra end. So stay tuned. I'm gonna let it go for about a month to give everybody an opportunity, because I know that people come in on a slower base, but hey, it gives you time to also share the video, get more subscribers onto the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more. Peace.